good day morning. Always need to go flying against the wind. You go. It.
Llamas para atrás 10 minutos.
What does that mean?
Call back in 10 minutes.
Really?
Someone called and I said it and they understood what I was
I thought
saying.
you were gonna say something like douchey, like that means eat my ass. What the hell? It reeks like brake cleaner in here. Oh my god. Pasta la vista, baby.
I'll fucking kill you. Eric?
So today's a little bit of a slow day at the shop here today. So we're doing a little bit of our own work on our own cars. Hence Angelos Datsun. No one else's car but Angelos Datsun.
Always.
So, we got a 1980 Datsun.
Wow, I can't see shit. Okay,
Good?
Yeah.
got
Wow,
it?
I can't see shit.
All right, so we got a 1980 Datsun 720. I have two of them, both yellow, same exact year, make, model, color, trim package, everything. That one's my baby. This one was gonna be my baby, but found somebody that really wants it, so I said, hey, you know what? I'm gonna clean up under the engine a little bit, make it a lot nicer, and I'll let her go. I ended up taking out a charcoal canister unit over here, and ended up having some coolant lines running to it, a different pulley system, took all that out, a completely different belt, make it run a lot smoother. I did the exact same thing on that one. It ran great. So on this one, I did the exact same thing. I gave him a new manifold, cleaned it all up. We cleaned up the carb, cleaned up the header, put it all back together, and now I just got to make a quick block off plate to block off a couple coolant ports that it no longer needs because
Where are the ports?
right here, coolant port. So we got to block all this off right here, get the 3 bolts in there, get her fired up, should be good to go.
And we're gonna mock it up with
We're
this.
gonna mock it up with this, make a quick little outline to it, and then make it out of metal, throw some bolts through it, and she'll be good to go to her new home. I'm gonna round out these a little bit wide on everything, a little bit too much on this, doesn't hurt. You know what, I'm gonna bring this one out here.
And then we'll just trim it down if we need to.
Trim it down if we need.
And now we cut it.
Way too high, you need to cut it.
Yo, what's Jim doing?
Good and you?
I'm all right. What's Jim doing?
Yeah, I'll say it's just been a really shitty day because it was raining earlier. But we're doing better now.
That's good, man. So what's Jim doing?
Hold on one second.
All right, so we got the cutout, we got the shape done.
Got the general shape done. I added up a couple little black marks back here. Nothing too fancy. I'm just gonna trim it up a little bit more, make it look a little bit cleaner. Get it on there, drill out my holes, paint it up, make it
I'll
look
drill out your hole.
Make it look clean. The Datsun's like probably about a half hour, 45 minutes away from starting up and getting to its new home.
Lit.
Ready for some fucking B-roll? Alright, so that's gonna fit perfectly.
That fits a lot better.
Oh yeah, so we're gonna drill out these 3 holes, make sure they all fit through on this, clean this up.
So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna grab some fucking toilet paper we found on the pooper shitter, and then we're going to plug the holes with the toilet paper, and then we're gonna paint the toilet paper.
It's bright, get in the shit.
So now, after that these guys are kind of plugged up, we're gonna take a paint marker, or whatever you think that's working best, maybe some paint and a paintbrush, and we're gonna we need tweezers. We need to get tweezers now. All right, now put it on. 1 Mississippi, 2 Mississippi, 3 Mississippi, 4.
Boom. Now we know where our holes got it.
Nice. All right, so we just finished cutting the hole. Now we're about to go do a test fit. He's just getting rid of the burrs right now. Not bad.
Oh no.
I like it good, G.
It's a fucking
There was a bug on your head. How'd she line up?
Not bad. I might go one more hole size bigger just to give us a little bit of grace room.
Yeah?
Yeah.
But the holes are lined up?
Yeah.
Sweet. Now we gotta find some bolts. Holy fucking shit, Angelo.
know where to start.
Hey!
What?
Oh, it goes in.
Yeah, that one works.
That one goes in. Can't go in anymore. It's too long. I mean, we can cut it.
So that stops there.
So we're gonna have to cut these.
Okay. Are you fucking kidding me? I hope this catches fire.
So we added some paint to avoid some future rust. We trimmed down the bolts
Bolts are looking good.
and we retapped them just to be safe.
Looking for a gasket maker now. As I put it down, anything I put down, I lose. So we got a ultra gray gasket maker. Just gonna put a little bit all over this so this makes a good seal. It doesn't really need it anyways because we already had filled the holes on the piece that would end up leaking, but just as a precautionary, we're gonna put this as well. It's never bad to be a little bit over precautious, so
That's hard, right?
yeah, nice thick coat. Make this look like I know what I'm doing.
So now we're gonna seal up all the hoses and clamp them down and should be able to fire it up.
Is that your finger?
Yeah, dude.
How's your arm doing?
No, dude, what the f? How you doing?
I'm doing pretty well.
I'm ready.
Is that how it's supposed to sound? Yeah, it does.
I'm a slapper lick, fuck right roots, so I'm a true shooter, got that next clip. Girl costing me, let's go snip. Yeah, like okay. Sussy boy, you're blind. Yeah, like okay. Please come and check the time.